Camping sunset, mosquitoes swarmed while we couldn't close windows fast. Night heat poured in, privacy vanished, sleep ruined by glare. DIY screens fell apart, tape peeled, bugs still crawling inside. Fridge vents clogged, cooling suffered, anxious about spoiled food. Sun glare baked interiors. Our van felt like an oven. Every window fix required tools, time, and frustrating measurements. We missed evenings outside because bugs invaded every moment. Enough. I needed a durable, simple, effective window solution. While scrolling an RV forum, a photo grabbed my attention. It showed a sleek, black pleated screen, low-profile snap-fit frame. Quick reviews praised insulation, UV blocking, one-hand up-down operation. Curiosity turned urgent. I ordered the RV window screen immediately. The standout feature, honeycomb pleated blackout with one hand up-down. Low-profile snap-fit frame promised tool-free, fast installation anywhere. Thermal insulation claimed cooler interiors and improved energy efficiency. UV blocking meant furniture and fabrics protected from fading. One-hand operation sold me quick, safe, hassle-free adjustments. It arrived compact, perfectly packaged, ready for snap-fit installation. Pop-in frame clicked, no screws, no mess, instant privacy achieved. One hand lowered the blind. Darkness and coolness arrived instantly. Bugs stayed outside. Nights returned to peaceful, uninterrupted sleep. Fridge vents improved, airflow optimized with durable vent panels compatibility. Interior temperature dropped, fewer AC cycles, longer battery life. Installation felt professional. Neighbors asked where we purchased them. For campers and van lifers, this is a game-changing must-have. Imagine effortless privacy, cooler days, quiet, bug-free evenings now. Limited stock moves fast. Don't miss your comfort upgrade. Ready to stop sweating and swatting bugs on trips? Which window will you upgrade first, front, side, or rear? Click the link in the description to buy now. Transform your RV comfort today.